two.
This one was 3, 4, 4, 3, and 2.
Boat looks empty. Get full.
Come back early and enjoy it.
Don't get off. Nope, not this one.
Mom, we have to go to number 1.
You might be right.
Okay, we're gonna go to number 1.
Oh, gangway here. I think we're going 1.
Can you help me one?
We're going to number 1, Dad. We're going number 1.
Number one?
Boarding area 1.
There we go.
There we go. Everybody out. Everybody out.
Yes, I can get these to bed. These are for Timmy.
Okay, so what's happening? See how good these lenses actually transition. If they don't transition very well, I'm going to be very disappointed. I'm probably sure about my other one just for that guy.
I can paint
Okay, let's go in the Falmouth Jamaica port of Jamaica while sailing the adventure of the seas, Royal Caribbean. There's a teeny. And here we go. Time to shop till we drop. Here's Melissa and Mom's favorite place to shop in Jamaica, gold mining.
Hey, how are you? Oh my God! How are you? Nice to see you. Aww. Can I give? Aww. I'm so happy to see you.
She drew those for you this morning.
What can I get you to drink? Tell me. You're a VVIP. Which one do you like? You like that? It's yours.
All right, what are we looking at?
She's looking at earrings now.
Let me see. I'm looking at it over here.
I'd like to get a gold chain, but I'm just gonna get white gold.
What's up, girl? What are you doing? Do you want to go look at some toys and candy after we eat your chips? Yeah. Hey, Nano, it's your patty. Oh, yeah. Compliments of gold mine. Yummy.
She's gonna be so fancy. That's pretty, baby. Can you say thank you?
Oh, you're welcome.
Give him a
You're
hug.
welcome.
Give him a hug. Thank you.
That was very nice.
How old is she? She's 4. 4 and a half. Almost 5.
Oh, that's nice. Wow.
So excited.
I'm starting you very early with your jewelry and your shopping. All right? So make sure whenever you come to Jamaica, you always come and ask for Uncle Kenny.
He knows you by name. That's supposed to be Kenny.
That's so special. You love it, don't you? What's he doing? Oh, that's crazy. You like Jamaica? No? Maybe?
Yes.
Open bar, nice.
On the money.
You see
Piece of candy. This is the first time coming this far back by myself and with you. You feel special? You feel special? Yeah?
She's cute.
Thank you. There's the ship. Hi, Adventure. Oh, look at those big fish. See those big fish?
My way, Daddy, it won't go away.
There's the patty port. The tastiest Jamaican patties in Jamaica. Oh, I found a chocolate factory. Come over here. Found it. I knew we'd find one. You excited?
Yeah.
Let's go look at the chocolate. Where's all your chocolate at?
Sorry?
Where's all your chocolate at?
It's upstairs. We, if you like dark chocolate, we give you a little sample, and then if you want to purchase, we could go upstairs and you can purchase some chocolate.
Oh, it's that fancy, huh?
It is a little fancy. It's just the factory is upstairs, so then that's why we just have this little cook cart here, and because otherwise it would melt.
You want to try it? Okay, we'll try a little piece. Yeah.
You're gonna put your hand out, and I'll give you a little piece. There you are. There we go. And I'm gonna give Daddy as well. Well, I'm assuming it's Daddy, but
Yep. Hey, you like it?
Yeah.
Let's go get Mama, okay?
Maybe he wants ice cream.
Here's an ice cream shop.
I did.
You want to go in there and see what's about? Bring Mama back? Just go in there and look. Ice cream.
What's that pink one?
Rum raisin.
I can't see it.
Cookies and cream. Yeah, I'll show you in a minute. Strawberry cheesecake. We have to bring my Mama back. What? Oh, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you.
Ta-da. Bye.
Ah, yeah.
Here.
Hey. You wanna go get ice cream? Go. I'm going. Go.
Which one you want?
I want the pink one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that pink
Not
one.
Thank you.
Ooh, that looks good. It looks like it's got real strawberries in it. Say thank you, Kitty.
You're very welcome.
So good.
It's so good. How good? So good.
Anytime. Thank you very much. Take care.
Next we go to the splash pad.
Let's go to the kids club.
So how was your trip to the gold mine in Jamaica?
Expensive.
Oh my God.
Expensive?
Expensive.
Did you mine some gold?
Yep.
Did you mine some gold too?
Yes, I did.
Going back to the ship through security.